Hi, in front of me is TCL 20 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, access menu, find calendar and tap on it. Now you need to tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're done, click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event over here. Now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, you can pick starting hour, ending one, or turn off this feature completely by clicking on the switcher next to all day. You can also add a title, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, take notes, and even add location. When you're done, click Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always delete it though by clicking on it, tapping on those three dots at the top right corner and selecting Delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!